Hello and welcome to the August MVP market wrap, and some really encouraging numbers across the board actually. The clearance rate jumped from 50 to 58%, that's a nice little increase, and that was on the back of having twice as many average bidders, 4.8 this month as compared to 2.4 last month. And with those extra bidders, we doubled the number of bids on average we took from 9 to 18. So all those metrics are really encouraging that we're able to create some competition, some energy, some momentum at the auctions. And that has resulted in a few standout sales, big dollars over their initial expectation. In fact, our biggest sale was over 22% above its initial reserve. And that wasn't alone. There were a number of those sales, 15, 17, 20% above those initial reserves. That gives us a clue that the owners are certainly in line with feedback in a lot of cases, but not always the case, as always. 30% of the properties that did sell this month did sell prior to auction, and that number has jumped dramatically from a 7% figure for the previous 2 months. And what that does say to me is that the deadline is creating that level of urgency and is forcing people or forcing buyers to commit to an unconditional contract prior to the auction date, which is a win all round. It's true we're not seeing big registration numbers at all of our auctions. A number of one bidder negotiations this month, and a number have been very successful. So I wouldn't be scared if that is the way your auction is shaping up. Having one buyer face-to-face with a great agent and they're emotionally attached to a home means we can still secure sales unconditionally on auction day. Overall, for a month, I'm really happy with those numbers. The volume is starting to increase. It'll be intriguing to see if that has any effect on the statistics as we move through September. But spring has sprung. The traditional hot period of the market is ahead of us. So let's see what that brings.